The human heart is one of the most vital organs in the body. It works continuously from before birth until death without stopping. This presentation explores how the heart is structured and how it functions. You will learn how blood moves through the heart and body. We will also examine how the heart regulates its own rhythm. Understanding the heart helps explain how the entire body stays alive. The heart is a specialized muscular organ responsible for pumping blood. It is about the size of a clenched fist and weighs a few hundred grams. It sits in the mediastinum, a central space in the chest cavity. The heart is slightly offset to the left side of the body. It is enclosed in a protective sac called the pericardium. Its primary role is to circulate blood through two major systems, pulmonary and systemic circulation. The heart contains four chambers that work together to move blood efficiently. The atria are the upper chambers that receive incoming blood. The ventricles are the lower chambers that pump blood out of the heart. The right side handles blood low in oxygen, while the left side handles oxygen-rich blood. A wall called the septum separates the two sides. The ventricle is especially strong because it must pump blood throughout the entire body. Blood flows through the heart in a precise and organized pathway. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium from the body through major veins. It then moves to the right ventricle, which pumps it to the lungs. In the lungs, gas exchange occurs, adding oxygen to the blood. The oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium. It then moves into the left ventricle, which pumps it out to the body. This double circulation system ensures efficient oxygen delivery. Heart valves play a critical role in directing blood flow. There are two atrioventricular valves and two semilunar valves. These valves open and close in response to pressure differences in the heart. Their function is to prevent blood from flowing backward. The closing of these valves produces the familiar lub-dub sound of a heartbeat. Proper valve function is essential for efficient circulation. The cardiac cycle describes the events that occur during one heartbeat. During diastole, the heart relaxes and fills with blood. During systole, the ventricles contract and push blood out. The atria contract first to complete ventricular filling. Then the ventricles contract to send blood to the lungs and body. This process is repeated continuously. The cycle is tightly regulated to maintain consistent blood flow. The heart has a built-in electrical system that controls its rhythm. The sinoatrial node acts as the natural pacemaker. It generates electrical impulses that initiate each heartbeat. These impulses travel through the atria to the AV node. The AV node briefly delays the signal to allow proper filling of the ventricles. Then the signal spreads through specialized fibers to trigger contraction. The heart requires its own blood supply to function properly. This supply comes from the coronary arteries. These arteries branch off the aorta and deliver oxygen-rich blood to the heart tissue. The left and right coronary arteries supply different regions of the heart. Because the heart works constantly, it has a high energy demand. Blockages in these arteries can lead to heart attacks. Heart rate is regulated by the autonomic nervous system. The sympathetic division increases heart activity during stress or exercise. The parasympathetic division slows the heart during rest. Hormones like adrenaline also influence heart rate. Physical fitness can lower resting heart rate over time. The system allows the heart to adapt to the body's needs. Heart disease includes several serious conditions affecting heart function. Coronary artery disease is caused by plaque buildup in arteries. Hypertension increases the workload on the heart. A heart attack occurs when blood flow to heart tissue is blocked. Arrhythmias disrupt normal heart rhythm. Many of these conditions are influenced by lifestyle and genetics. Maintaining heart health requires consistent healthy habits. Regular exercise strengthens the heart and improves circulation. A balanced diet helps control cholesterol and blood pressure. Avoiding smoking greatly reduces cardiovascular risk. Maintaining stress, or rather managing stress and getting enough sleep are also important. Preventative care helps detect problems early. The heart is essential for sustaining life by circulating blood. Its structure allows for efficient and continuous function. The electrical system ensures a steady and coordinated rhythm. Every cell depends on the heart for oxygen and nutrients. Lifestyle choices play a major role in heart health. Understanding the heart helps us protect and maintain it. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.